Hi everyone, today we will do our third lesson. I hope the first two lessons went well for you. I hope you can understand me easily again. In today's lesson, we will continue creating our entities. We have completed our category entity last lesson. Next entity is product concrete. Right click on concrete, add new class. Our class name is product. Okay. What do we need in products? Let's see. We need product ID, product name, path for product image, product price, product stock count, product description, and product status. Okay, so let's write this. Change to public and prop top public int product ID, prop top public string product name. Okay, prop top public int stock count or stock. Okay, prop top public decimal price. Good. What do we need? Images. Okay, we need images. Prop top public string image URL. Good. And prop top public string description. Okay, that's enough. Let's get back to our template, and this is social media place. Social media accounts are located at the top of the home page. This part could be a table, so let's create a class for this place. Right click on our concrete folder, add class. Our class name is social media. Okay, change to public. We need prop top public int social media ID, prop top public string title, prop top public string URL, and finally prop top public string icon. Good. Social media title, URL information, and icon will be sufficient. This place, we can dynamically keep the address and email information on the top left. This address and email information is also located at the bottom of our page, this here. The name of this table we will create can be address. We can also include this description information on the left side of the sitemap in this table. Okay, we will create add class address public prop top public int address ID, prop top public string address detail prop top public string phone number. Good. And we need email. Okay, finally we need this description, prop top public string description. Okay, this is enough. Let's go back up. Let's go back up template. The slider part can be a table. Let's right click on the images on the slider and open the image and new tab. Right click. This is on the image in a new tab. My operating system language is Turkish, so what is written in the menu is also Turkish. This is open image and new tab. As you can see, this is an image file. Then we can keep this part dynamic as well. Let's create a new class. Right click, add class. Our class name is slider. Okay. Change to access modifier to public. We need prop top public int slider ID, prop top public string slider title, and image path or image path URL. What is product URL? Image URL. Okay, image URL. You know, image path, image URL. Good. You can also add a status column here if you want. You can only show images whose status is active in the slider section. Thus, instead of adding, deleting, and updating on spatial locations, you can show the images you want on the slider by simply changing the status. For example, a separate slider image for the New Year, a separate slider image for Christmas time, a separate image for Ramadan for Turkey, and a separate image for Valentine's Day. Think of it this way: you will make a discount. Your title is vegetable and fruit prices are now 50% off for Valentine's Day. Thus, you can prepare a delicious meal for your loved one on this special day. I hope it was a funny joke. Let's get down to bottom. This is about our us page. What do we need? Title. This is title. Image path. Description. Here are the items shown step by step. This is, but we will not use this. To use this, we need to create an extra class or subclass. We don't need this for now. Okay. Right click on concrete folder, add class. Our class name is about. Good. This is public prop top public int about ID prop top public string title and control D and description. Okay, good. This is enough. I hope you can understand me easily. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.